Okay, for this problem, we're supposed to find the value of c such that this function, f of x is equal to x squared minus x over x squared minus 7x plus c, as long as x is not equal to 1, and it's equal to c if x is equal to 1. Find the value of c so that the function is continuous at x is equal to 1. All right, now what's the definition of continuous? The definition of continuous is that the function exists, the limit exists, and the two things are equal. Okay, so the function exists. That's clear. So the function exists. So f of 1, that's equal to c. So that's good. That's good. That's the first thing we need to check. The second thing we need to check is that the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x exists. Now, the limit is as x approaches 1, x is can be close to 1 but does not equal 1. And so if x is getting close to 1 but does not equal 1, I get to use the top expression here. The limit as x approaches 1 of x squared minus x over x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, now can I just directly plug in 1? Unfortunately, the answer is no, because if I plug in 1, I would get 1 minus 7 plus 6 is 0 in the denominator. However, what I can do is factor. On the top, this factors as x times x minus 1. And on the bottom, this factors as x minus 1 times x minus 6. And so I can cancel the x minus 1s, and so I get the limit as x approaches 1 of x over x minus 6. And now there's absolutely no trouble plugging in 1. And so if I plug in 1, I would get 1 over 1 minus 6, which is negative 1 over 5. Okay, so the function exists and the limit exists. The third thing that has to happen is that the two have to be the same. And so these two have to be equal. And so I need c to be equal to negative 1/5. And so that is the value that I would need c to be equal to in order for this function to be continuous at x is equal to 1.